This is your guided meditation for coming home to your authentic self. Do not listen to this while driving or operating a vehicle. Wherever you are, whether you're sitting or lying down, begin by giving yourself permission to arrive. Let this be a moment just for you. No pressure, no performance, no need to be anything other than what you are right now. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Begin in through your nose and let it go through your mouth. Feel the weight of your body being held by the floor, by the chair, by the earth. You are supported. Bring your attention to the soles of your feet. Imagine roots gently growing from them, sinking down into the earth. Feel the safety of that connection, the stability, the stillness. Now, bring your awareness up through your body. Start with your feet, ankles, calves, knees, thighs, hips, belly, back, your chest, your shoulders, your upper arms, your elbows, your lower arms, your wrists, your hands, your neck, your face, the back of your head, the crown of your head. Feel the energy around you. Let your breath soften anything it touches. There's no wrong way to be here. There's no better version of you that needs to show up. You, in this exact state, are enough. Place a hand on your heart and maybe the other on your belly. Feel your breath rise and fall beneath your palms. This is your rhythm, your truth. Now repeat after me, silently or out loud. I am safe to be who I am. I release the pressure to be anyone else. I honor the divine design that created me, on purpose, with purpose. I forgive myself for the detours. I honor the path I walk. I'm returning to me. Now let those words settle into the cells of your being. You may even feel your energy shift. Gently, quietly, or maybe even a big shift. Allow it to happen without any judgment. Now begin to scan your body with curiosity. Where is there tension? Where is there flow? As you breathe in through your nose, invite softness into the tight spaces. As you exhale through your mouth, imagine letting go of the layers that aren't truly yours. The shoulds, the expectations, the masks. Breathe in freedom. Breathe out everything that's not you. With each breath, you're creating more space for your authentic self to emerge. Allow yourself to stay in this breath for just a few more moments. Bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows, your inner knowing, your divine guidance. You might imagine a soft light glowing there, a connection to your higher self, your source, your divine wisdom. Now ask yourself silently or out loud, what part of me wants to be seen today? What truth have I been hiding? What would it feel like to show up just as I am? Notice what arises: images, feelings, sensations, maybe even silence. All of it is welcome. You are listening to your truth. Gently bring your hands back to your heart as you say silently or out loud, I reclaim all the parts of me, the light and the shadow. I am not broken. I am becoming. The world needs my presence, my piece of the puzzle. I choose to stop hiding. I choose to be me. Feel those declarations ripple throughout your entire energy field. Recognize that you are already aligned. You're already worthy. You're already divine. Let's seal this practice with a final breath. Inhale love.